So I'd like to look at how I can use text features and search tools, such as keywords, sidebars, and hyperlinks, to locate information that's relevant to a topic that I might be interested in or that I might be doing research on. I'm going to take a look at a Kindle ebook. This is In a Word, and it's fascinating stories about the origins of words. What I like about ebooks is that I can use a table of contents to access something I might be interested in. And this sidebar here then hyperlinks right to the section. So I'm going to go to clothing collection here. And when I look at some of the words, of course I can see different types of print that distinguish the information, such as italicized print. Here I have words in bold print. They're also capitalized and they're designated with different colors. And so those tell me they're key words. As I look through definitions, I can see italicized words that capture my attention. I can learn about the meanings of different words. Let's say I'm looking for perhaps a word in particular. A cravat. I remember reading about a cravat in something that I had read quite some time ago, and I've been interested in what it is. The origin here happens to be from a scarf tied around the neck. So these are just some of the ways that I can use some of these keywords and text features to help me find what I want. Again, using a sidebar. Another way that I can use these text features to search for what I need is accessing a fantastic search tool called Instagrok. When I go to Instagrok, I can customize what I'm looking for. Let's say I want to learn more about Ernest Shackleton. Click on my grok. And I'm going to get a concept web with all kinds of fabulous hyperlinks that relate to different things about Ernest Shackleton. I can have video links. Let's check this out. This looks like a photo on a book that I have. And then when I click on one link, I've got hyperlinks to other things. I can scroll in this sidebar and again find more hyperlinks to information that I need. And these are just some of the ways that I can use text features and search tools to help me locate information on a topic very quickly and efficiently. Another way that text features in nonfiction pieces are helpful is that I can use information that I get from illustrations, like maps and photographs, combined with the words in a text to help me better understand where, when, why, or even how key events occur. I'm going to take a look at my Greek myths book here. Of course, I can always use my table of contents to go to a particular area in a text or utilize a glossary and an index if I'm searching for information. But what I find when I use key features is that I'm better able to understand things. For example, here's a map. Rather than describe the area of the world where the belief in Greek gods and goddesses originated, I can simply look at this map and know. Other things that illustrations help me better understand is how perhaps things were believed to have looked. Rather than reading a text and getting my own mental image, I can have a clearer idea of things based on the illustrations and the photos. Here's a part about Persephone, and I know that the myth of Persephone was that she had eaten the 6 pomegranate seeds, and that's what caused her to need to spend part of her time underground with Hades. This particular illustration shows Persephone underground, and then just those tiny 6 seeds. I think by looking at this, it helps me better understand how this little event changed Persephone's world. I can look at photographs of what something looks like. And so by looking at images as text features, I can have a better understanding of things in a text I read.